Samsung is all set to launch its new S20 series of flagships for 2020 later next month. And ahead of the February 11th launch, specs of the device from the lineup have started to leak online, with the latest claiming to reveal all about the series' top-end model, the S20 Ultra. As opposed to previous leaks that claimed the S20 devices will boast of 12GB of RAM, a new leak by Max of XT developers has claimed the Galaxy S20 Ultra will offer a version with 16GB of RAM alongside the standard 12GB model. Both variants will be made available with 128GB, 256GB or 512GB internal storage options. Further, Samsung is being said to ensure that all the S20 Ultra devices also sport a micro SD card slot which can expand the device's storage by up to 1TB, suggesting that all the S20 models below the S20 Ultra will drop expandable storage entirely. The tipster, however, doesn't just stop here. The S20 Ultra 5G is going to keep the SD card slot support for up to 1TB. It will also be available in 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and have a 12GB and 16GB RAM options. 108MP main, 48MP 10x optical, 12MP ultra wide. 5000 mAh battery with 45W option fast charge, 0 to 100% in 74 minutes. He also reveals the S20 Ultra's camera and other key details. For the device's camera setup, he claims the Galaxy S20 Ultra will boast a staggering 108 megapixel main sensor that will sit next to 48 megapixel sensor with 10x optical zoom and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. The fourth sensor in the device's reported quad camera package is being said to be a time-of-flight one. Additionally, the report also suggests that the device will have a fantastic battery life, with a list of noting a 5000 mAh battery capable of 45W fast charging capability, 0 to 100% charge in 74 minutes. Apart from this, very little is officially known about the device. However, reports suggest the phone could come powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC in the US or its equivalent Exynos chipset in global markets including India. The display on the device could be so massive and be easily available in 6.7 inches in size. However, these are all speculations and the real information the device should be known as we get close to the launch date of the Galaxy S20 series of devices.